So it's my last day in Cavan for a while. So my sister and I decided to make homemade pizzas. We got all our ingredients and started preparing. She first showed me how to make the sauce: tomato puree, special pizza sauce. Hold on a minute. Italian pizza sauce, yeah. Some pepper, garlic granules, and there was some basil there too, and a squeeze of lemon. She showed me to mix it all together to apply for the pizza base. While I was doing that, she chopped all the ingredients which was needed. We applied the sauce to the base. Avoid the cat in the background, countryside living. The cheese was next on. She was well ahead. After we prepared the pizzas, I patiently waited by the oven. We had lovely visitors over, so my sister cut up the pizzas and served.